welcome back. My name is John Kennedy. I'm a mobile software engineer, at least for the last 5 years. And today we're gonna talk quickly here about scopes in Dagger Hilt. So we have these scopes here. So Singleton, ActivityRetainedScoped, ActivityScoped, FragmentScoped, ViewScoped, and ServiceScoped. This is probably for view model, singletons, and ActivityScoped. So what you're gonna do here, by default bindings are unscoped. That means that every time we inject a type, we get the new instance here. So what you're gonna do here, we're gonna see if that's true and how we can make this a scope for this so you don't have this anymore. So let's call this 1, let's call this 2, let's call this 3, and let's call this here 3 times, and we should receive 3 different objects here. So let's run this and see what's happening here in our logcat. So we should see here, okay, here. So here you can see we have 3 different instances here. So how can you make this scoped? So you have to know that we have here activity and we have this activity scoped here. So if you annotated or Hilt with this, so we should be able to maintain just one reference here in the main activity. So let's after this in your model like this. So here you can see we have ActivityComponent and ViewComponent, and you can see here that we have this different ViewComponent. ViewScoped is different from ActivityScoped. So if you want to annotate this, we have to remove this view content here. Let's just comment this, and now we can just annotate his with ActivityScoped is network service. So let's create it here. So ActivityScoped like this, and let's put this here too like this. So okay, so now if we run, we should see just one reference here, all the same. In the case we print 3 times, but we have to say just one reference, so just one network service. Let's see if that's happened. So here you can see is the same reference 3 times. So this is how you can define the scope for your injections and for your object creation. So it's basically this for this. I think it's quite simple here. So in the fragment, use this one. For Active, choose this one. For the view model, we have the view model. I will record a class just for view model because view model are important here. So you'll see in the next one. So you can just go to the next video. Somewhere here. And I see you soon. Thank you.